Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install IPTV on Hisense. For this you can consider some steps to follow. First, open the Play Store on your Hisense Smart TV. And in the second step, type IPTV Smarters Pro in the search bar. In the third step, choose IPTV Smarters Pro from the search results and click Install. In the fourth step, once the installation is complete, launch the IPTV Smartest Pro app and accept the terms and conditions. Please read the terms and conditions very carefully. In the fifth step, if you have an M3U playlist URL from your IPTV provider, choose Load Your Playlist or File /URL button. Enter a name for the playlist and the M3U playlist URL and click Add User to start watching IPTV content. In the sixth step, if you have Extreme Codes API login credentials, select Extreme Codes API. Enter your username, password, and port URL. In the seventh step, once done, click Add User. In the eighth step, enjoy streaming your favorite IPTV content. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.